Hello there, how are you today? It's kind of cloudy outside. Not kinda, but it's really cloudy. And I'm not sure if it's just cloudy or mag-snow na ba. I'm gonna show you soon. Some part of Sweden are already snowing, especially sa north part, because it's always madalas tayo like September, October, yeah, sa north side. And the other place or city also that close here, nag-snow na pod. And I guess it's gonna snow here also. Maybe this week or maybe karon mag-start. So this is how it looks like right now. As you can see, nanay mga puti-puti na murag kaspa nga nangahulog. Totoo ang aking chismis. It's snowing. Oy, oy, oy. So this is the other side. It's more clear. Time check. It's 3:46 in the afternoon. But as you can see, it's already dark outside. This is what it looks like during winter time. Or mag-start siya November, as far as I know, or like last week of October. So mag-start na siya og dulom, or ngit-ngit, pag 3 in the afternoon. Hello again. So yeah, this is the next day, and everything is white. I'm walking out with our dog. It's actually kind of late because I overslept. But it's actually so cold. I'm wearing my winter jacket, which is baga. I have two like sweater inside. So we're back home. I'm gonna show you what I wear. And my hand is still it's still reddish. It was like so cold, and it was freezing and painful because I didn't wear any gloves. That was my mistake. Look, as you can see, sakit kayo na siya. And today, this is what I wear. My winter jacket. Yes, of course. Winter jacket is really like every season, iba-iba ang jacket ang ginasuot, depende sa unsa ang temperature outside. That's why it's really important to know the temperature outside before going out, and it's really important to wear the right clothes para either dili ka sobrang kaidang, dili sobrang katugnaw. So this is my winter jacket. It's from my sister. She gave me. Winter is very expensive, honestly, because you have to wear this stuff, and if you're gonna buy this, it's so expensive. Next is this one, of course. Yes, yeah. And then this is what I wear outside. It's actually have my I still have my PJs inside. For the down part, these pants are jeans. I'm wearing these jeans. But first, I'm gonna show you my shoes. Timberland boots. Yes, it's for winter also. It's really important to wear winter boots kay it's very slippery outside. So dili ka gusto ma-slide because it's really dangerous. Pwede ka maka-injure. That's why you need to wear the right boots or shoes as well for winter. Okay, that's why it's expensive. This one is from Timberland. Yeah, my sister also gave it to me. Wala na ako natiwas og film outside because I didn't wear any gloves, and it was really freezing. And my hands are freezing, and aside from freezing, hapdos na po na siya kadugayan. And the worst case, the worst thing that's gonna happen is pwede ka ma-experience of frostbite, which is dangerous na siya. Kay if you don't know what frostbite is, it's like a sobrang katugnaw sa imuhang kamot, manggahi siya, and then na tendency na pag na-perminti na siya main ana, mag-itom, as in mag-itom, mara siya uling, and pwede siya matanggal. Like, yeah, that's the worst thing is gonna happen. That's why it's really important to wear the right clothes or stuff during winter. Kaya di lang na siya tugnaw, di lang na siya for snow, na po na siya, madisgrasya ka, like maslide ka, experience of frostbite, and like pwede po ka marami po kag mabuta kay kanabi tong sobrang kusog ang hangin while snow. That's kind of dangerous also. I'm not saying winter or snow is bad. Actually, it's really fun for a couple of times. First couple of times, it's really fun. Kaya, oh, it's snow, my first time in snow. But later on, ma-realize nimo na ano siya, medyo chaos. Kaya it makes everything slow, like for travel or transport. Of course, dili ka pwede magdagan-dagan na bakta. So, pas-pas kayo kay ma-slide ka. And then the cars, bus, and trains, gahinay sila kay kaya laging mag-snow. Delikado po siya. So, yeah, it's fun for a couple times. First experience, but later on, maragid na po kaganahan. So, kato ako mga gipang sulti, mulang dito ako na-experience dire sa Sweden. I don't know about other countries, kaya laon ko ka-experience sa ilang winter dito. So, dire, tugnaw ka dire na itanin si makaabot og -6, -13. Tapos iban -20, -21, which is cold. O mo nang wala ko kabalo sa other country, but here kailangan nimo mag-wear og nata mga importante jud magsuot og right clothes during winter para iwas disgrasya o dili ka magmahay sa gawas. So this is what it looks like outside. Kusog kayong hangin. This snow vlog is requested by my supportive bestie, Betty Laura Bong, my Kursi. Thank you for always watching my videos and commenting for my videos. I don't know kung tanaw ba nimo tanan o ginahuman ba nimo, but I'm still happy and grateful. Thank you so much, Kursi. I love you. Dili kayo sila maka-experience og baha or sa bagyo, pero na-ay snowstorm. Which is sadlok po siya kay pagsusobraan ka kusog sa hangin while kusog po ang snow, na tendency nga ka ng puti na kahit na halos wala kayo makita, tas baga kaayo o maglisod na ka ng lakang, so, magginahin na kaglakaw. Last year I experienced it na early in the morning, kaya gihatod na ako sa school ako pag umangkon, baga kayong snow, tapos nawala pag akong cellphone, gilakaw na ako ng kung asa ko gikan nagbaktas. Grabe ka baga, sugnaw kaayo. Ang ending di ay kay nahulog la sa gilid sa door sa gawas, tapos natabunan na siya og snow, which like ambot sa kabaga ang snow murag siguro kung mo niya ang ground, tas mo niya akong murag leg, murag ana siya kabaga mo sa ano kayo siya na oh my god, maglisod na kaglakaw, maglisod pa kaog tan-aw kay kanang og ana bitaw sa mata o sakit kaayo. Murag gitawag nila snow blind ata, murag ana. Pag sobrang katugnaw, isa sa importante nga imong suoton ang beanie or bonnet na matabunan imong dalunggan na dili kay ma-expose imong cheeks or even your nose and your mouth. Kay pwede po na sila ma-frostbite. Pwede nyo na siya search sa Google kanang mag-dos, magpula pa na siya, and then ay tendency nga pwede na siya mag-itom. Naga naka-experience ana. Ang katuday akong ginang snow blindness na. Sobraan ka kusog ka yung snow na kanang murag siya balas na kanang sagpa sa imuha mo na worst ano po na siya. Delikado po na siya. Today is -5 outside and it's windy. Windy pa lang na siya. Actually, mas tugnaw siya pag kanang ang snow gamelt na tapos naiadlaw kay gamelt ang ice and ang moist niya mo na makapatugnaw. Today is -5, tomorrow and Saturday is -6. Hopefully next week kung madayon ba jud o tinuod ba ginang giingon sa weather, medyo maging better ang weather, ang temperature outside. But na tendency pwede maging 8 or 9 na siya. But we'll see what's gonna happen. Di ko sure kung gitugnaw ba ning iroangan ni sa snow or nag-enjoy siya sa palibot niya. So I must say, winter is not bad as long as you're wearing the right clothes. So kani siya, yung mga bato-bato na itom. Ginatuyo na siya butang para iwas slide. Yeah! Better watch out, you better not drive. It looks beautiful when it's sunny while there's snow, but it's colder. I'm not saying winter or snow, it's bad. It's actually beautiful, but you know, pero mura lang gyapon na siya og kanang pagkaon na pagperminti na kay magsawa na ka or sumudan na ka. Pero kani siya, iba na siya nga level ka, di lang ka magsawa. Tugnaw, pudno. Lang perminti ka tugnaw, di na ka ganyan mo gawas. The more nga na ay sun, mas tugnaw. Ako ana lang gi-off no kay murag balik-balik naman akong chika diri, pero ang point ana kay nindot kayo tan-awon ang snow pag maigo sa sun kay mag-shine bright like a diamond ang atake. So mao na to ang not so nice side of snow or winter, but hopefully next time mapakita na ko sa inyo ha ang fun side sa snow or winter. But karon dili pa kay siya dili pa kay ka makadula or dili pa ka siya fun kay dili pa ka siya baga, pero pag baga siya na pwede ka mag slide ana. So thank you for today. See you again next time. Take care everyone. Bye. Wee.